Hey lovelies, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So it is Sunday morning and this is my Sunday morning realistic routine. So once I wake up, I normally open my blinds, let some sunlight in, and habitually, of course, I'm going to look outside just to check my surroundings and embrace life for a moment and just thank God I'm on his wake up list. So, yeah. So before doing anything else, I go straight to the bathroom to do my oral hygiene and freshen up and stuff like that. On Sundays is when I normally do my bedroom reset. So I change my bed linen, do my bed linen laundry, put on some clean fresh sheets, and just prepare for the upcoming week. So now I'm about to take a shower and prepare myself for the real day. So it is Sundays and this is when I do my reset for the week. So I have to wash, I have to cook, I have to clean. So taking a shower, it gives me that energy and it gives me that vibe to just have a productive day. So I'm gonna start off my day by taking a nice shower. So I normally drink a bottle of water to hydrate myself. Well, this is not a routine for me, it's a habit. I normally drink a bottle of water before starting my daily activities. So before I make my tea in the mornings, I like to start off with a tidy kitchen. So if I have anything in my dish drainer to pack away, then I'll pack that away. And if there's like a cup in my sink to wash, then I will wash that and pack away. I'm not a breakfast type of person, but yes, I'm a tea type of girl. So normally I make like some natural tea like mint or ginger. But before I go into making my tea, I'm going to just continue to tidy up my kitchen and then make my tea. So if and when I do plan to prepare dinner, this is a time when I take my frozen food from the fridge like my meat and just prepare myself for later. So now that my kitchen is all neat, clean and tidy, I'm making myself some tea. I'm using some grated ginger with a peg of garlic and I boil together for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to strain them off and sweeten with some honey, and this is what I'm going to have to start my day, guys. So this is basically my realistic Sunday morning routine. My bedroom is neat and tidy, and I'm just having some tea. Then I have my bathroom to go and clean. I have my living area to clean, and I also have to prepare dinner, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed as yet for more videos. Bye. Peace out.